Yeah, so we are filming some cool shots here in some parking house. And yeah, we are at the Munich airport right now. Back there is my G5, if you can see. I don't know if Felix can get it. It's a little bit far away. But yeah, I just flew in from LA in my G5 back there. And here's my ride today, the BMW i8 in a beautiful, pristine blue color. Do you know the name of the color by any chance? Felix, no? It's definitely not Long Beach blue. That I would recognize right away. But yeah, it looks pretty gorgeous in my opinion. It looks very aerodynamic actually as well, but actually it isn't. You know, a Tesla Model S is more aerodynamic than this car. Unbelievable, right? And the rims, I think they look, well, I don't know, so. But the interior is pretty sick. I mean, it's a very modern looking interior, cyber style. That's Silicon Valley right here. No, not really. Silicon Valley is the Tesla. But anyway, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys watching this review. I'm counting every single view. I make marks all the time. Guys, have you noticed anything weird about the rear end of the BMW i8? Anything? Well, to me, honestly, it kind of looks like the BMW is dumping out a 911. This blue part looks like a 911 with the 911 light. You guys don't think so? I mean, kind of weird if you ask me. I mean, maybe they did it on purpose, I have no idea. But anyway, let's just do a sound check and see how this 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine actually sounds. Well, sounds better than a Tesla. That's as much as I can tell. Yeah, guys, it was nice as always, and I see you guys soon. Please don't forget to watch the review and like and share and show it to your mommy. I'm out of here. Dun-dun. I'm gonna do a little launch here. This car accelerates very fast. We're already at 200 kilometers per hour. 220 good. I didn't think it would be that good. I thought it's just, you know, sort of an M235.